How to redeem lifestyle gift card online. What is up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to easily redeem your lifestyle gift card online. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. The first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and search for lifestyle gift card. And the first link you will see is redeem your voucher. So just open it up. Now here on the redeem gift card section, you will just have to enter your voucher reference or the voucher number. You can also tap on the iInfo to see where you can find your voucher reference. And once you have done that, just go ahead and enter up the email address and tap on register. Now you will be able to easily redeem the gift card from here. Or if you're having trouble, you can just go ahead and contact their support. So just tap on this link and tap on contact us. And now from here, you can just enter all of your details and your email. And then from here, you can just send a request and they will reach back to you on your email and you should just follow the instruction to redeem the gift card. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.